Hey everybody, today I am working in another fraction. I will say the method, it's part of the fraction learning process, what is called changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, so let's say that you had a fraction that in order to reduce it to the lowest term, or you have to change it to a mixed number. Okay, so in what is that I am saying by with this? Well, let's say that you had a fraction that was equal to 3/2, right? So let's say that when you add some number or subtract a fraction, your answer was 3/2. Okay, so this is an improper fraction because an improper fraction has the numerator is greater than the denominator, right? So So then what do you do to change this to a mixed number? Well, you divide 3 divided by 2 is 1, right? With the remainder of 1, you put the 1 over there and you put the half, right? So this becomes an improper fraction, becomes a mixed number, correct? So when you simplify an improper fraction becomes a mixed number. Okay, so then our goal today is to go back from this to back to this. Okay, so that's our goal today. So let's see how we do this. This is a very simple process, okay? But I want to just review this because it doesn't make any sense to add fractions and subtract fractions and multiply fractions if we don't don't do this. This is important too because we are going to go back from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, so how we do this? Look at this number right here. This number is a whole number and this is part of it, the fraction, right? So therefore this one is 1 plus the half. This is like saying 1.5 in decimal, right? But to change that from this I would say the standard form or proper fraction, okay? Then to change that to make it improper again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and multiply 1 times 2 plus the numerator. Again, 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3, right? And we keep the 2. We don't do nothing with the 2. The 2 is still is this 2, okay? So we don't touch it. So what we do, we just use the 2 to multiply that mixed number, whatever is in front of this, multiply that number, whatever is in front of this half right here. Okay, so we use that only for the purpose of getting back to the improper fraction, but we still leave the 2 at the bottom, okay? So what we do, we say that 1 times 2 is 2, right? So I gotta do step by step is 2, right? Plus 1, right? Plus that 1 over 2, which is equal to 3/2 again. Okay? So that is that, right? So let's say that we have another improper fraction, okay? Or I'm sorry, we have a mixed number that is 4 and 1/2 again, right? So let's do that. let's do this again. Let's make this more clear. Let's do this. Let's do 4 times 2 plus 1 over 2, right? Okay, so 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 over 2, right? So then it's going to be equal to 9 over 2. Look how beautiful that is. 9 half is the same as saying 4 and 1 half, right? So let's do another one. Let's do 3 and 2 okay, 3 and 2/3. Okay, so what will be that number? 3 and 2/3. So then what I'm going to do again is going to be step by step. 3 times 3 plus 2, right? Again, we don't do nothing with that one. This becomes just 3 at the bottom, right? So then this becomes what? This becomes 9 plus 2 over 3, which is going to be equal to 11 over 3. Okay, let's check this out. 3 goes into 11 3 times, which we get this, right? How many get a remainder? Does 3 goes again? No, because 3 times 3 is 9, so therefore, so it goes 3 times, right? So therefore it's 9, and then how many I get remaining? I get a 2. So therefore, it's the same as saying that 11 thirds is the same as saying in the simple form, it's the same as saying 3 and 2/3, okay? So now we went back from a mixed number to an improper fraction, okay? Let's do a couple more. Let me pick a number. Let's see. Let's do 8 and 1. Okay. Let's do 3 and 1/8. Okay. 3 and 1/8. Okay. Again, we will multiply 3 times 8. 3 times 8 plus the numerator. Again, our goal is right here. I'm sorry, this is 8. Okay, our goal is to multiply this times this plus that, right? 3 times 8 plus 1. Again, we only multiply 3 times 8 and we add the numerator of the fraction, okay? So we multiply the whole number times the denominator of the fraction plus the numerator. So therefore, this is 24, right? Plus 1 over 8, which is going to be 25 over 8. Okay? And again, if you divide 25, 8 goes into 25. 8 goes into 25 3 times equal 24, right? So how many you get remainder? You get remainders of 1, which is that one right there. And therefore, this number, these two numbers are equivalent. The only difference is that this is a mixed number and this is an improper fraction, okay? So we went from a mixed number to an improper fraction, okay? So now let's do another one. Let's do 6 and 6 and let's do 6 and 1/3. Okay, 6 and 1/3. Again. Okay, so again, this number 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1, right? And then the 3 stays like that, right? And then this is equal to simply 19/3. Okay? Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do 3. Let's do 3 and 2/3. Okay? So again, 3 and 2/3. Actually, nah. Okay, so 3 and 2/5 is equal to 3 and 2/5 is equal to 3 times 5 plus 2 over 5, which is equal to 15 which is equal to 15 over 5 plus 2, which is equal to 17/5. Okay, the same thing. Divide 17 by 5, you get 3 and 2/5. Okay, same thing. Okay. Now let's do 3 and 2/3. Okay, so 3 times 3 plus 2, right? Then over 3. So this is equal to 9 plus 2/3, which is equal to 11/3. And again, divide 3 goes into 11 how many times? 3, which equals to 9, with the remainders of 2 right there. See? So then that's it. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope this helps anybody who is taking basic mathematics. Again, the purpose over here the purpose in this short, video is to go from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, so I hope this helped anybody who is who is taking basic mathematics. Thank you for watching.